Let's start about Indian geography statements. Longitudinal division of Himalaya. Himalaya is the one of the great mountain of the world, and here's some longitudinal division of Himalaya. We'll discuss about it. Western Himalaya extension length is about 880 km. It is extended from Indus Valley in the west and Kali Nodi in the east, and the most prominent mountain is K2, where its altitude is 8,611 meter. And now the next one is Middle Himalaya, Kali River in Nepal to Tista River in West Bengal, India. It is extended near about 800 km, where the main mountains are Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Makalu, Annapurna. And the next or last one is Eastern Himalaya. It is extended from Tista River to Brahmaputra River, where the extension is about 720 km. Here the most important mountains are Namcha Barwa, Kula Kangri, etc. And now the median mass of Himalaya is known as Pamir Plateau. Pamir Plateau is known as roof of the world. Himalaya is supposed to be originated from Tethys Sea. The longitudinal structural valley just at the edge of scarps is called dunes. Dehradun. Longitudinal structural valley means a depression just at the edge of scarps. It's called dunes. The height of Shivalik ranges from 600 to 1500 meter and width extends from 500 km near Kashmir to 15 km in Arunachal Pradesh. Large number of synclinal valley like Kashmir Valley, Kangra Valley, Himachal Pradesh, Kulu Valley, etc. are situated in the Middle and Lesser Himalaya or Himachal Himalaya. Height of Himachal Himalaya ranges from 3,500 meter to 4,500 meter and width varies from 60 km to 80 km. Himachal Himalaya or Middle Himalaya or Lesser Himalaya. Average elevation of Himadri 6,100 meter and width is about 25 km. Mount Everest, whose altitude is 8,848 meter, Kanchenjunga 8,598 meter, Makalu 8,481 meter, Dhaulagiri 8,172 meter, Annapurna 8,026 meter, Nanga Parbat 8,126 meter, etc. peaks are located in Greater Himalaya or Himadri Himalaya. Greater Himalaya, Middle or Lesser Himalaya, and Shivalik Himalaya. Some transverse passes: Burjila Pass, Jojila Pass in Kashmir, Baralachala, Sipkila in Himachal, Jelapla, Nathula in Sikkim, Thagala, Niti Pass, Lipu Pass, Lake Pass in Uttaranchal are located in Greater Himalaya or Himadri Himalaya. The Lesser Himalaya is in Middle Himalaya is known as Mahabharat Lake. Average height of Western Himalaya is about 3,000 meter. K2 or Godwin Austen 8,611 meter located in Western Himalaya. Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Makalu, Annapurna, etc. are located in Middle Himalaya. Charghara, Gandak, Kosi, etc. rivers are coming from Middle Himalaya. Namcha Barwa, 7,756 meter. Kula Kangri, 7,554 meter, etc. are located in Eastern Himalaya. Jelapla, 4,535 meter. Bumla, 4,331 meter. Tesla, 4,740 meter. Tunga, 5,044 meter, etc. Some passes are found in Eastern Himalaya. Trans Himalaya, Tibet Himalaya, Trans Himalaya, Tibet Himalaya. Has average elevation 3000 meter, average width is 40 kilometer. Jaskar Ladakh range is located in Trans Himalaya. The northernmost range of Trans Himalaya, the Greater Karakoram range, Krishnagiri range. Average elevation of northeastern hills ranges from 2000 to 3000 meter. And we can say that the Himalaya longitudinally divided into three parts, which are Western Himalaya, Middle Himalaya, and Eastern Himalaya. And if we divide this on the basis of latitude, we can find 4 divisions. First is Trans Himalaya in the upper side or northern side, Trans Himalaya, then Himadri Himalaya or Greater Himalaya, and then Middle Himalaya or Himachal Himalaya, and then Shivalik Himalaya in the southern part. Naga, Patkai, Naga, Manipur, Khasi, Jayantia, Garo hills, etc. are located in eastern Himalaya, Purbanchal. The area of northern plain in India is about 77,000 square kilometer. Bhabar, running parallel to Shivalik range from Indus to Tista, with 8 to 16 kilometer. Pebble-rich porous rock armored soil, Himalayan river flows as interflow in this pebblish zone, it's called Bhabar. This is the zone, pebblish zone, where interflow of water in river is seen. Porous rock armored soil is seen, which is ranges from width is near about 8 to 16 kilometer and running parallel to Shivalik range and from Indus to Tista. What is Torai? East of Tista towards west of Tista is west of Tista is Torai, and east of Tista is Duars. Torai, 15 to 30 kilometer wide marshy tract interflow of Bhabar region river re-emerge in this area located just south of Bhabar, where the river re-emerges. This zone is called as Torai. Bhangar, running south of the Torai, composed with old alluvium of middle Pleistocene age and forms the alluvial terrace above the level of flat plain. It's called Bhangar. Old alluvium enriched flat plain. It's called Bhangar. Khadar, composed with newer alluvium and forms the flat plains along the river banks. Yearly renewal of fertility during monsoonal flood. Khadar is ray or color, barren saline skins of drier areas in UP and Haryana. Bhur, elevated piece of land located in Upper Ganga Yamuna Doab, formed due to accumulated sand deposition blown by sand. Bagar, semi-arid plain and at the eastern Aravalli range. The desert proper of Rajasthan plain is called Marusthali. Shifting sand dune in this area is called Dhriyan, and shifting sand desert is called Erg. Semi-arid eastern Thor desert is known as Bagar. Fertile short seasonal river claimed area is known as Rohi. The northern part of this plain adjoining the Shivalik hill has witnessed intensive erosion leading to gully formation by a network of streams called chos. Broad flat plain of Khadar belt is known as Wetlands. Total area of peninsular India is 16 lakh square kilometer out of 31 lakh square kilometer. The gap between peninsular India and Shillong Plateau is known as Rajmahal Garo Gap. Average width of coastal plain is 65 to 200 kilometer. Average width of coastal plain is 65 to 200 kilometer. Total length of coastline is 7,516 kilometer of 9 states. A large portion of Kerala plain is remained below sea level and some much underwater backwaters or lagoon. And the biggest lagoon of India is Chilka Lake, 780 square kilometer. The Great Andaman group of islands in the north is separated from the Nicobar group of islands in the south by the 10-degree channel. Little Andaman is separated from the Great Andaman by 50 kilometer wide Duncan Passage. Little Andaman and Great Andaman Duncan Passage. And the two volatile volcanic islands of Andaman and Nicobar, Barren and Narcondam. The highest peak of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Saddle Peak. Andaman has 203 islands. Total island of in Andaman and Nicobar Island is 265 in India, where Andaman has 203 and Andaman and Nicobar has 265. Lakshadweep Islands composed with 25 small islands. In islands north of 11-degree latitude is known as Amendivi, and south of it is known as Kannanur Islands. The largest island 4.53 square kilometer of Lakshadweep is Minicoy Island. Largest island of Lakshadweep is Minicoy Island. How many in the southern tip of India is far away from the line of equator southern India. Southernmost point of India is far away near about 8 southern tip of India. 876 kilometer. What is the name of southernmost point of India? Indira Point. And Indira Point, and the east-west extension of India is about 2,933 kilometer. 2,933 kilometer. The north-south extension of India is 3,214 kilometer. The length of Indian frontier is 15,200 kilometer, while the length of coastline is about 7,516 kilometer. It is right. In terms of geographical area, what is the rank of India in the world? 7th. India is the second largest country in the world in terms of population, in which year India would be in the first largest country. 2020. Adams Bridge connected Pamban Islands of India and the north tip of Ceylon. And Hare Island is made up of coral reefs. Himalayas is is extended from west to east about 2,400 kilometer, while Indian extension south west to east extension 2,933 kilometers. The average height of Himalayas from the mean sea level is about 600 meter. Shivalik Hills are formed by sedimentation from the greater and middle Himalayas. Shivalik Hills Himalayas is shifting towards north at the rate of 0.4 to 0.5 centimeter per year, and it is uplifting also. Nanda Devi is located in Garhwal Himalaya. The average height of Shivalik is 1500 to 2000 meter. The average height of the middle Himalayas is 1828 to 3000 meter. The alpine meadows of the Himalayas are known as Uttarakhand Himalayas as Bogal. Nanda Devi is located in which Himalayas? Uttaranchal Himalayas. Doon and Dar valleys are located in the Shivalik ranges. Middle Himalayas is located in 80 kilometers away of south of Greater Himalaya, which theory is related with the origin of Himalayas. Plate tectonic theory is related with the origin of Himalayas. The Shivalik Hills are known as Abar, in which state? Arunachal Pradesh. The Dehradun valley is extended 75 kilometers long and 15.20 kilometers wide. At Simla Hills is situated in Dhauladhar range. The famous valley of Kashmir lies between Pir Panjal and westerly range of the Himadri.